Today, I'll walk you through how to use Bitmoji in Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and share your personalized Bitmoji so you can add a fun and unique touch to your snaps and chats. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. If you're not familiar with it, think of Snapchat as a digital scrapbook where you can share moments with friends. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the layout a bit. Once you're on the camera page, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll see the Bitmoji icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to customizing your very own Bitmoji, which is like a cartoon version of yourself. Next, click on your Bitmoji. This action will allow you to modify it based on your preferences. You can change everything from your hairstyle to your outfit, making it a true reflection of your style. Take your time here, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you're satisfied with your modifications, you're ready to use your Bitmoji. You can send it as a sticker in your chats or paste it on your snaps. This feature adds a personal flair to your messages, making them more engaging and fun for your friends. To find your Bitmoji, simply go to your stickers. Look for the Bitmoji icon, and you'll see all the stickers available to you, including the one you just created. It's like having a mini you ready to express your mood at any moment. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Bitmoji in Snapchat. This simple yet effective tool can really enhance your social media experience, allowing you to communicate in a more personalized way. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.